Hi, welcome to our channel SystemWebTech. In this video, we will learn choose function. What does the choose function? Choose function just assign the name to numbers. For example, we will assign one as one stands for excellent, second two stands for good, three stands for average, four stands for poor, and so on. We can use in other applications. For example, whenever I will type 1, it will give me the bandage. Second, it will give me the eye drops. Third, ointment. Fourth stands for tablet. And fifth, syrup. And so on. We can set the medical storage. Similarly, we can set a set of library via by assigning the by assigning name to our values. For example, 1 stands for HTML, 2 stands for Java, 3 stands for Hindi, 4 stands for English, and so on. Whatever the number I will type, it will give me the name or corresponding to that value, that number. So let's see how we can use or apply. So, so we will use the let's we will use the choose function. So let's unhide the rows. Whatever we unhide the rows, and then we will start. Control Shift 9. Control Shift 9 and Control Z. Right. So this is the let's. So this is a two. This is a row, and we will see how we use the choose function. This is a rating. Here we will a rating, and we will use the choose function. We apply the choose and select A3. A3 is a index number, and then we take inverted text in inverted commas to all the status: excellent, good, average, and poor, and then we will click enter. Right. Now let's apply the data validation here. Select the list and source, take this as a source and click OK. So whatever 2, it will gives us 2 is, let's take the 4, it will give us poor. So it is occurring due to choose function. Similarly, here also we will apply. Let's see how we can do. Let's unhide the this. For example, this is these are the items we will set in a choose function. Remember, text should come in inverted commas, right? And we will is equals to choose tab. Now it's asking me the index number. This is my index number G3, comma, and then text we will paste and close the bracket. Enter. So right now it is giving me the value. Let's take something 4, right, and enter. So on 4 number, there is a tablet. Now let's give the here also data validation. Data validation list and source. Source is this is, and we will click OK. So now with 7 number, there is a grape bandage. 2 means eye drops. Fourth, tablet. Fifth, syrup. Sixth, band-aid, and third, ointment, so on. Similarly, here also we can whenever we will do, we will use the choose function. What we will do, we will take the inverted commas is equals to choose tab, and now it's asking index number. Index number is this, comma, and it is asking me the value. So these are my values. Remember, if there is a text should come in inverted commas. Text will always come in inverted commas, right? And we will copy this. We will copy this and paste. Now what it will do, it will assign one as a HTML and we will click enter. Now whatever the number we will take, it will give us the value of that number. 4 stands for English here. So this is how choose function work. Let's take it into the data validation also, so that a quick work will be done. Take it to the list, source is this, right? And click OK. So fifth number, there is a maths subject, maths course. Sixth subject, GK. Seventh, science. Fifth number stands for maths. First number stands for HTML. Second number stands for Java. Third stands for Hindi. So this is how choose function works. Choose function always works on numerical value. It is used to assign the name to numbers 1, 2, 3. Now you can use it as a rating, any medical store, any books or library. So this is the application of the choose function. So this video is based on the choose application. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, must subscribe our channel, like, comment on videos. Thanks for watching video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.